And our last story of the day, you probably already knew this, Will. Nobody's buying fast food breakfast anymore.
What?
You just bought it today.
Yeah, that's my everyday.
Yeah.
McDonald's.
Yeah, their sales are way down on the fast food
Really?
breakfast. Yeah, and apparently it's because the commute. No one's commuting, or a lot fewer people are commuting.
Yep.
And the big supplier of the purchases for the fast food breakfast is the commuter. They stop by the drive-through, or they go past the small little shop, and they pop in, and it's a breakfast sandwich, and it's a coffee, or it's a bagel. It could be a breakfast bagel.
Love bagels.
There's so many options with the fast food breakfast. But yeah, apparently this is another casualty of the pandemic. So all the major ones, McDonald's, you have the McDonald's CEO says breakfast prior to the pandemic was the only part of their business that was growing. It was just popping off. You remember when McDonald's launched the all-day breakfast?
Yes.
People were loving it.
The McCafe.
McCafe. They had a bunch of stuff going on. And so anyways, this is affecting McDonald's, Panera, Dunkin', Starbucks. It's a real downturn on the breakfast because of the pandemic. And so I can't say I'm surprised. I'm curious what people are doing. Are they making bagels at home? Are they brewing coffee at home? I'm doing a little bit more of that myself, and I can't say it's the worst thing in the world either.
No.
So the pandemic has had some strange casualties, and it turns out the fast food breakfast is one of those casualties.